Add a note to make a minor chord. Here's what's written. Here's the lower note, the upper one, and together you get this sound. Okay, so let's figure this thing out. The lower note is a B. The upper note is E. Now, what we need to do is figure out what the root of the chord would be. So we're going to take these notes and try to stack thirds to see what comes up. If we start with the B as the root, a third above B would be some kind of D, and a third above D would be some type of F, B, D, F. We don't have D or F as part of this chord, so maybe that's not the best choice. But now what if we start with E as the root? So if E is the root, a third above E would be a G, and a third above G would be B. Well, we have the B, we've got the E, so this is going to be our best choice. This is going to be some type of E chord. Now, in order to figure out the quality of the chord, what we want here for the question is minor. So what's a minor chord? A minor chord is stacked thirds with a minor third plus a major third. And so a minor third, 3 half steps, major third, 4 half steps. So let's figure this out. E up to G, how many half steps is that? That's actually 3, so that's a minor third. G up to B, how many half steps is that? That's 4. So this would be a minor chord, E, G, B. It's E minor, okay? Now, what we need to do then is we need to add one note. We have to add a G. Any G is fine to meet the requirement of what's being asked in the question. I'll just, because I've got space here, I'll put the G here on the second to the bottom line of the staff, and that fulfills the requirement, okay? We could add an upper octave G, we could add the lower octave G, it doesn't really matter, that would still be a minor chord. So there's your answer. It's this G that we need to add. It's an E minor chord, and because this B is down in the bass, that would actually put the chord in second inversion because B is functioning as the fifth of the chord. I hope that all makes sense. I'll see you next time.